Today we're with Dorothy from Dorvic Caravans just outside Ballyclare. She's been very kind to let us bring the Subaru Forester down to give it a demonstration on how it tows the new Unicorn,
Bailey Unicorn Cabrera, the latest model from Bailey 2022.
Okay, so we're excited to get it out on the road, see how it performs. We'll hook it up now and show you how it goes. This afternoon in the Forester E-Boxer. This is the top spec premium model. And at the minute we've got the Bailey Unicorn on the back, which weighs around 1,600 kilograms. Forester, of course, has a towing capacity of 1,870 kilograms, so plenty of room for more there if we needed it. But we've just towed up a hill there and effortlessly you wouldn't even know that the Bailey was on the back. So this is of course the E-Boxer version, and you'll see there on the dash yes, the engine's working away, but we're charging away at the batteries, and as we're coming up this junction here, we're feeling nice and safe. 50 miles an hour cruising along there, and it's just holding the road nice and steady. So in the Forester here, I've just demonstrated very quickly how that would be, how it drives with the adaptive cruise control on the eyesight. So at the minute, I'm just going to speed up. There's a truck here in front of us. I'm just going to speed up to 62, and I'm just going to set the cruise control. The car now sees the truck in front of it. Just see here that it's recognising it. And with my feet off the pedals at the minute, the car is following the truck, and we're reducing our speed, or increasing our speed to stay behind it. Great system, handy if you're going with a caravan. It just makes life so much easier on a long run. Just coming up to this junction, 40 miles an hour, vehicle is in full electric mode as soon as I take my foot off the accelerator there. So it's nice to know that we're not using any fuel, and it's just quiet over much. Brilliant. And then this will just take off, engine kicks in, and away we go. As the engine's driving, it's charging the batteries. Delighted to be here today with Amanda and Gary from Camping A&I. We are now officially in partnership with them for 2022. Yep. So if you get the calendar from Camping A&I, you'll see within it there are 2 vouchers available. So for all Camping A&I members for 2022, come along, test drive one of these. You get yourself a free membership for 2022-2023, or alternatively buy one and you get a free tow bar and electrics fitted, compliment on us, because you're a member of Camping A&I.